In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Stripe to Odoo Accounting. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Stripe connected as a payment provider in Odoo, so you can accept online payments and have them flow directly into your accounting. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo instance with access to the accounting app and the right permissions to change configuration. From your main Odoo dashboard, start by opening the accounting application. This is where all of your financial configuration lives, including payment providers like Stripe. Once you're inside the accounting app, look towards the top of the screen for the menu labeled Configuration. Go ahead and click that. Configuration is the central place where you manage settings for journals, taxes, payment methods, and integrations. Within the configuration menu, find and select Payment Providers. This section lists all the online payment methods that can be connected to your Odoo database. Here you should see Stripe available as one of the options along with other providers. If Stripe is not yet installed, you'll see an Install button next to it. Click Install to add the Stripe Payment Provider module to your Odoo environment. This may take a few moments while Odoo installs everything in the background. Once the installation is complete, the page will refresh and Stripe will become available for configuration. After installation, you should now see an option to activate Stripe. Click on Activate to start the setup of Stripe as an active payment provider. Activating it tells Odoo that you want to use Stripe for processing payments on your invoices, e-commerce orders, or other online transactions. Next, you'll see an option to enable and connect Stripe. Click on this button to begin linking your Stripe account to Odoo. At this point, Odoo will redirect you to a Stripe hosted page or open a connection window where you can either sign in to an existing Stripe account or create a new one. From here, simply follow the on-screen prompts provided by Stripe. These prompts typically include logging into your Stripe account, confirming the business information associated with your account, and then authorizing the connection to Odoo. Once you approve access, Stripe will send the necessary connection details back to Odoo automatically. When the process finishes, you'll be returned to Odoo, where Stripe should now appear as enabled and connected. At this stage, it's a good idea to review any additional settings in the Stripe payment provider form, such as payment methods you want to accept or the journals you want to use, and then save your changes. And that's all you need to link Stripe to Odoo Accounting.